Hey there, Laura Morgan here from the Solano Resource Conservation District, and today we are going to be learning about conserving water. What does conservation mean, you ask? Well, it just means to save water, make sure we're not wasting it. So we are going to go over some tips and tricks that you can do around your house, wherever you are, of how to save water. All right, let's go. So one good way to conserve water at home is when doing your dishes. So some people, they just leave their water running the whole time as they're doing their dishes. Wrong. So the best way to save water while doing your dishes is to wash your dish and then turn the water on only when you need it. Try to aim for taking a 5-minute shower by setting a timer on your phone. If you have a leak in your bathroom, tell your mom to fix it. Mom, there's a leak in the bathroom. If you have a glass of water that's been sitting around collecting dust, don't just dump it down the drain. Give it to a plant. Or you can give that water to your pet. Alright, so far in this video, we learned about how to conserve or save water around our house. We talked about taking a shorter shower, setting a shower timer for 5 minutes to remind us to get out. We talked about not throwing away cups of water that have been sitting out collecting dust, giving that to our plants or our pet. We also talked about not leaving the water on when we're doing our dishes or brushing our teeth. We've come up with all sorts of ways that you can conserve water from just being at home. Can you come up with some ways that you can conserve water? Maybe some ways that I didn't bring up in this video? Check out our other videos on how to be a water protector.